practicing consumer-conscious innovation is not just a tagline, it is a mandate. It reminds us that technology without purpose is hollow. True innovation must serve the people, build trust, and protect the planet we share. Processing and packaging are the invisible backbone of our economy. From the food on our tables to the medicines in our cabinets, your work touches every Filipino life. As these sectors expand, the Department of Trade and Industry is focused on one goal, and that is global competitiveness. For our MSMEs, ProPack is our gateway. We are here to bridge the gap between small-scale production and world-class standards. For our innovators, this is the floor where eco-friendly transitions from a buzzword to a business model. Under the leadership of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., we are building a bagong Pilipinas. Our vision is an economy that is modern, inclusive, and innovation-driven, where growth is not just measured in charts, but felt in the lives of every Filipino family. As we open ProPack 2026, I challenge you, do not just trade, collaborate. Do not just observe, transform. Let us innovate with purpose. Let us package the future of the Philippines with the care, quality, and responsibility it deserves. Maraming salamat po, and I wish you all a productive and inspiring ProPack 2026. Magandang umaga po. Salamat.